Hey everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to sell your limited items on Roblox. So if you wanna guys sell your limited items, I'll be showing you. First of all, you have to open the browser on your device. So if you wanna sell it guys, there is a condition. So rightly now only account with membership can participate in reselling. So only item marks as a limited or limited you are able to resold. If an item is limited and or a limited you, there will be icon declaring it as a underneath. So to sell it guys, you have to go to its detail page and view the on item section under the price, under the price. And after this you have to select which copy you want to sell and select the sale next to that item and enter your desired price in the box that is displayed. But these guys need to be not limited, and limited you items can only be resold by account with premium membership. So after purchase item enter hold up for 30 days and the item can only be resold after this holding period ends. So you have to note this condition before selling an item. Your account must be with premium membership to resell it, and if you are reselling it, so that's the condition of reselling the limited items. And if you want to sell it, just go to its digital page and go to on items and just select the item you want to sell and just enter the desired price and you will be able to sell your item. So yeah, that's it guys. That's how you can sell limited items in Roblox. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye.